Hey guys, good morning. I'm making breakfast this morning and I decided to make a whole video. So I'm not going to be doing separate videos. I'm making ackee and saltfish and I won't be making a separate video. Right over here we have bami and plantain and we have dough right here. I made this last night and I just let it sit overnight because it's way better that way. Call it soaking. So I'm gonna be making breakfast. As I said, no separate videos. I might, and I don't know. But right now, we're just doing everything in one. It's just a quick video. And here we go. Okay guys, so this is the dough. I just made them into balls, into small balls, and then I just put them in the oil. Make sure that your oil is at the right temperature because if not, then your dumplings will burn. And you don't want that. But we're doing our thing right now. And don't mind the cracks, guys. Of course, it will crack. I mean, hey, we're gonna eat it, so who cares? But anyways, this is what we're working with. I'm gonna start on the ackee and saltfish right now because honestly, I really don't want to be too long in the kitchen. But here we go. So guys, those are the dumplings after. And the ackee, and right here we have some fried plantains. And right here we have plantains and the berries, and over here we have the tomato, the green onions, and the yellow onions, and some scotch bonnet pepper. Okay guys, so you want to add your salt fish or your codfish pollock, whichever name you use. You just want to add it to the onions and tomatoes and stuff, and then you just let it sit for about 2 or 3 minutes, and then you just add the ackee to it, and then you put some black pepper on there, and then you're good to go. Okay guys, so you add the ackee and you put some black pepper on there, and then you just combine it together. I'm just gonna combine this and let it cook for at least 5 minutes on a low heat, and that's it. Try not to make your ackee mushy. I mean, a lot of us do that, but try not to do that. And this is our finished product, guys. And there you go. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.